Hello everybody, welcome back to Work Right Planner. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be planning July 19th through the 25th. It is another kind of bittersweet week for me. It is the week that I have to return to the office. You all heard last week how incredibly excited I am to go back to the office. I'm sure you can hear the sarcasm in my voice. But luckily we do still get to telework 2 days a week. So I'm going to count my blessings with that. It is also my best friend's anniversary week. So other than that, not a whole lot going on this particular week, but let's just jump in this. I have my handy dandy multicolored ink pens that I love so much. I have my remaining Erin Condren stickers that I'm trying to use up, and of course my Erin Condren stencil. I will link to this below just in case anyone's interested in it. I actually got it from Amazon, but I love this thing. And then all of my stickers, and of course the Planner Kate stickers that I still have that we will be using today. So as usual, I will start with time blocking, but first I have to pull these out. I mentioned these cards last week, and now you see they are just in my planner. They're placeholders. They just remind me what my zones are and what the days are for the Fly Lady system. So this of course is my catch-all planner, so it has every appointment, every task I want to do, everything all right here, so I can see it all in one place. Some people keep multiple planners for different things. My schedule doesn't allow the time for me to search for different planners, so I really need everything to be in one spot. So that's what we're going to accomplish here, and I'm going to start blocking out time. Oh, and I'm on call this week, so I'm really loving these on-call stickers that I've made so that it matches up and I know that I'm on call this week. Anyway, here we go. Okay, we have all of the time blocked off. I hope you all could see that. I tried to zoom in a little better so that you can see better. Now I'm going to go through and put in the stickers. Zone 4 is the master suite. Okay, now I'm going to add my boxes for my side hustle. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me move this. You can just barely see the calendar through that. It doesn't bother me because once I write on it, I can't see it at all. Or once I put stickers on it, I can't see it at all. But if that bothers you, just white out the calendar and it'll be perfectly fine. Okay, I think that's got all of the stickers for during the week. So now we'll just flip back to Monday. We'll start filling the weekend. Okay, so that's everything that I've got going on during the week. I am so sorry about the flub up right here. That is going to make me crazy. And I thought you all might want to see what are on my to-do lists for before work and after work. So, and I need to add in visit with Paula, my fiance's mother is in a nursing home. We're hoping we get to visit with her, but that dreaded virus has hit somewhere in the nursing home. So right now they canceled the visit for this week. Hopefully we can visit her during this scheduled time. I don't mark all of the visits that he makes during the week, but this is the one that I can usually attend, so I mark it on my calendar. So there's that. Now let's get to the weekend. Hold that thought. We forgot a most important note to make this week. So the 21st is my best friend Amanda and her husband Brian's wedding anniversary. So I need to make sure that we document that. What kind of stickers do I have that might work? Oh, I have more of the hearts. So let's give them some heart. I'm going to put it down here where we've got some space. And that way I can make sure that I reach out to them and tell them happy anniversary. So, got that on there. And Amanda, being who she is, darn. I was looking to see if I had any cupcake not cupcake stickers. I know I've got those. Donut stickers. But I don't see one on this sheet. We will just give her a purple cupcake. Okay, so now that we've got that on there, I don't know if you all can see that very well. Now we'll go to the weekend. Okay, the 24th, I have training for my second job, because if you work in a daycare, at least in Kentucky, that is so crooked. You have to be first aid and CPR certified. Well, at least at the one that I'm at. So I have training that day. That's going to eat up the bulk of my day. I don't know if any of you have had first aid and CPR training, but it's a long class. So I won't put anything else for that day. Okay. This is unfortunate that it's crooked, but it's the best I could do. I had to trim the edges of this because it was a miscut when I was experimenting. Okay, that was the only way to make it straight whatsoever. We'll use the best over here. Do your best. I'm saying that because, you know, that stuff might be difficult to get done that day because of the training. And the best I just think is funny because your house feels so much better after this weekly home blessing. And who knew that, you know, going through and doing this once a week would make your house feel so much better. Fly lady, if you're out there, you're brilliant. Some of us are out here just making things a lot harder than they have to be. The freezer is going to move up to the morning. And then Plus we can see what's after freezer. The dryer. Does anyone else find that random stuff just lands on their dryer? That's always fun. Okay, and then of course the rescue is going to wait until we see how this is going. It is better, but we're still building habits, and it takes several weeks to build habits, and I'm still trying to get, you know, leftover baby stuff out of my living room, so still working on that. We're going to upload and schedule all the videos that we get finished. That's the beautiful thing about the way that my schedule works, is that I schedule these so that I don't have to remember to upload them and make them live at any particular time. There you have it. That is everything for this week, and I hope that it is helpful for somebody. This can seem kind of overwhelming. I know that mine's very, very busy, but you know, I am hoping one day to not be quite as busy. Anyway, thank you all so much for joining me, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy playing with me type videos. Okay, I will talk to you later. Bye.